What's up guys, how are you? I must inform you for the Jumia stock. The Jumia stock, the main resistance is not here. As stop, yes, we have 1-2 bullish candle, and now maybe we have a third red candle, maybe, it's not sure, because we have 3 hours of trading. But tomorrow are the earnings report for the Jumia. And if you believe this stock, the soaring will be huge. I have a long position from $5.11 based on my chart. I must inform you this to know. And the first crucial resistance is here in the green line at $7, between $7 and $7.20, 21 moving average. But if the earnings are very good, we will see huge soaring. But I think the soaring will be $2 per share, at approximately at $8 per cent. Therefore, don't underestimate the Jumia stock. And the momentum, as we can see here, is positive. Thank you very much. Goodbye until tomorrow to see the earnings report.